Who is that?
It was Laura. And I used it to abuse her because this statement came from her close friend. I'm sorry.
Okay, so guys, I don't really watch this Real House of Lagos, but this one really got me that I now begin to have interest. I like the fact that she apologized, and then I think Laura is taking her time to accept the apology, maybe giving to the way the bashing came. Do you understand? But I can see Laura so that she's really, really not taking this apology, just like the other lady said. Do you understand? But for someone to be bold enough to, acknowledge their fault and actually said it's from her friend, her close friend. So you see, you should be careful of these best friends, all these besties. They are the ones that will just sell you out. Do you understand? That's the lesson I learned from this particular episode. It's going to take Laura a whole while to, assimilate this apology and then get it off with. And I also like the move of the lady that begged. Do you understand? It was sincere apology. You can feel it from her heart that she's coming from a side of peace. But the problem is Laura going to take it? Now, this other lady that bought her or something, she was like, that the lady that apologized is even... She tried that she will not even do that, not even to her best friend. Can you imagine? It can't be like say drama day for this particular season, and I'm liking it. Do you understand? And I think that the highlight of this episode, if not for the season, is this lady, Miriam. She is just dropping it as it is hot. Do you understand? I somehow like her personality. She cannot be intimidated. But coming from the side of peace, that lady that apologized, she was too matured for it. And I just hope that Laura takes it. Do you understand? Because she really meant what she said. And all these things may come out because of what Laura's friend actually said. Do you understand? That's why you don't need to trust people. Trusting people these days is a whole lot of task. And the fact that she said that it was someone close to Laura that told her that and what was the problem? She said that the person close to Laura said that Lola is being pimped for men. So she now used it and abused Laura. So now, the fact that her close friend was able to, tell the fair lady I'll remember her name later, what she's doing, or maybe her secret, or maybe she didn't even do it, is really the part that touched me. I was like, okay, since your close friend can do that, she may do far worse than this. Do you understand? Even that fella lady shouldn't even trust that her close friend, because since she could be able to say this about her friend, she will still say it for the people that are not even close to her at all. So guys, learn to carry your burdens on your own. If you want to cry, cry it out to God. That's what it means, because for someone close to this lady, Laura, to, say this about her, it means that she can't even trust her circle. That's what it means. So that's what I learned, guys. And if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you guys for always stopping by. Thank you. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.